I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our very own IT support LMS administrator, Scott Allen. Scott Allen is going to show us some required steps for those of us who are copying a course over from Canvas that still has Proctorio elements in them. If they're still turned on, Scott's going to show you that critical part to turn them off for any upcoming summer or fall semester courses that you may have access to. So, Scott, we'll turn the time over to you.
All right, so I've got a very simple course here. It's only got one quiz in it. It's called Former Proctorio Quiz, and it's set up to use Proctorio. So the one thing we'll need to do with these tests that use Proctorio before is to go in and actually uncheck the box to use Proctorio. So you'll have to edit the quiz. Okay, so there is a setting down under the quiz restrictions to enable Proctorio. So while Proctorio is still enabled, this is the best way to go in and actually just uncheck that and save it so that you have removed Proctorio, and you'll do that for each of the quizzes that you have Proctorio set up to proctor. And then the next thing that you would want to do is remove the Secure Exam Proctor from the toolbar. And you can do that through the navigation menu here. And you'll just want to remove some Secure Exam Proctor. You can drag it down below in this bottom section, or you can just disable it here. And then the other thing that you'll want to do is enable uh, Honorlock. So it should be down towards the bottom of the list here, Honorlock 1.3, and you can just enable it or drag it up, and then remember to save. So at that point, you'll see Honorlock in your course toolbar. The one thing that your students will also need to remember is to disable or remove the Proctorio extension, because they do not like to play well together with Honorlock, and they'll have to install the Honorlock extension. And clicking on Honorlock here will guide the students through the process of getting the Chrome extension installed when you're a student.